90 Australian school students have had a life-changing journey at space school in the United States. The aim is to encourage more girls to study science, technology, engineering and maths.
It looks like astronauts in training, but in fact these are Australian schoolgirls being space cadets.
3, 2, 1,
90 students from 14 schools travelled to the United States to take part in a 2-week space camp.
We did a mission control launch, so basically we sat in the room, we all had a particular job, whether it was in mission control, the International Space Station, we all had a job to do and we'd communicate with each other and we got our rocket to launch. That was my favourite part.
The hands-on course also delved into marine biology, forensics and robotics.
Oh my God! Where?
And there was also the chance to defy gravity and experience G-forces.
How you doing?
One of them was the multi-axis trainer, which simulated what a tailspin was like in space and of a rocket, and we were on this ride and it was a lot of fun.
The aim of the trip to encourage more girls to study STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering and maths.
Even though we're trying to make it more equal now, girls are still afraid to step up because they see majority of boys doing science, so they're scared, they don't want to be alone.
Teachers say the key is making these subjects more interesting and fun.
I think to offer as many opportunities in a variety of different ways, going on excursions, going on field trips, offering trips such as a trip to America, inviting guest speakers into the school.
And it seems to be working.
I know this might sound a bit cliche, but I really want to be an astronaut or an aeronautical engineer. So space science has always really interested me and I hope to pursue that in the future.
Anita Clark, SBS World News.